Before we estimate such projects, we always make sure to have the ample details and, of course, right specifications from our client in order for us to design and to have a complete design of the project that our client needs. For revisions, mainly, we always want to have a communication with our clients. Kasi kung hindi natin alam kung ano yung mga gusto talaga ng client doon sa mismong design nila na mangyayari, mas mahihirapan tayo. So we always make sure to have a collaboration with our sales and with our clients kung ano talaga yung pinakagusto nilang design para ma-output natin kung ano yung mismong effective and efficient na gusto ng ating mga clients. For our strength, I am confident to say that we have this teamwork and team play. Kasi sa ibang departments, meron tayong each department naman, pero sa department mismo ng engineering, especially sa costing, we always make sure to have this communication to our programming, to our production department, and especially sa drawing. Kasi kapag kami mismo nag-design from the top and hanggang sa ma-produce natin itong mga projects natin, we always make sure na well-informed ang bawat department kung ano yung mismong design na gusto ni client and yung mismong na process namin and yung mismong na formulate namin hanggang sa ating finished product. For the pricing, of course, the market is so wide naman eh. There are a lot of players na rin sa market natin. Pero we have these engineers, trained engineers, excellent engineers na kapag nag-design kami, hindi lang namin titignan yung cost. Titignan namin yung hanggang dulo, kung tatagal ba to. Ito i-design namin para assured si client na kapag binigay natin tong project natin, binigay natin tong fabricated products natin, maglalast long siya hanggang dulo.
Mag-start ang aming process kapag na-receive namin yung technical requirements from client. Then, we will come up sa technical drawing na ipe-present natin sa kanila. Checking muna sa akin, after ko ma-evaluate, papacheck namin sa engineering to ensure yung accuracy ng drawing. Lastly, pag okay na, both sa amin, kay client na. Bukod sa teamwork, may mga certification kami. Certified and we are trained for identify technical requirements in client. Kung merong revision na gusto si client, pinapa-evaluate namin sa engineering for further assessment. After checking with our engineering team, doon na kami magde-design by considering the comments and dapat compliance sa standards.
Here in GemCore, we value teamwork and team chemistry. We bring out the best to each of us and also mapa-senior man o mapa-young talent man yan is welcome to suggest ano ba yung creative ideas na na-deliver nila in terms of technicalities natin. Specifically, kapag si client natin is may mga gantong solutions na hinahanap, we are very capable of creating competitive yet compliant in terms of technical specifications natin. So, rest assured sa client natin, madi-deliver natin yung gusto nilang solution by interpreting ano ba yung kailangan nila and at the same time by creating or manufacturing ano ba yung best quality na sinasabi ni GemCore. And outside sa industry natin, si GemCore is well known for its workmanship in terms of the quality of the enclosure and the bus bars. Also, here in GemCore, sa team namin is we are very friendly and professional. Ibig sabihin, lahat kami is very welcoming, approachable. Kapag may clarifications kayo, we are very well-toned, we are very professional in terms of answering ano ba yung solution sa mga problems or sa mga innovations na gusto nyong makamit sa mga projects nyo.